Welcome to the ultimate guide to taking your business from where it is now to where you dream it could be. Whether you're just starting out or you've been hustling for years, this is for you. Are you ready to take your business to the next level? Of course you are. Imagine waking up every day excited to tackle new challenges, knowing you have the support and resources to make your vision a reality. But let's be honest, juggling everything yourself can feel like spinning plates while riding a unicycle. Impressive, but eventually something's gotta give. The stress, the long hours, the constant pressure, it can all add up and leave you feeling burnt out. That's where building a dream team comes in. Imagine having a group of talented, passionate individuals who share your vision and are dedicated to helping you achieve your goals. It's not just about delegating tasks, it's about creating a powerhouse team that can propel your business forward. And guess what? It all starts with hiring your very first rockstar employee. This person will be your right hand, your go-to, your partner in crime. They will help you manage the workload and bring fresh ideas to the table. Exciting, right? But also maybe a little scary? It's completely normal to feel a mix of emotions when making such a big decision. After all, your business is your baby, and you want to make sure you're bringing in the right person. Totally get it. That's why I'm here to hold your hand through the entire process, step by sparkly step. From identifying the signs that it's time to hire, to crafting the perfect job description, to conducting interviews, I've got you covered. We're talking clear signs it's time to hire, finding the perfect person for your unique biz, and even mastering the art of being a boss. Spoiler alert, it's way more fun than it sounds. You'll learn how to create a positive work environment, set clear expectations, and inspire your team to do their best work. So grab your favorite beverage, get comfy, and let's do this. Together, we'll transform your business and take it to new heights. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. Okay, let's be real. Running a business is no small feat. It's a journey filled with highs and lows, and sometimes it can feel like you're carrying the weight of the world on your shoulders. You started your business to be your own boss, set your own hours, and chase your passion. The dream was to create something meaningful, something that reflects your vision and values. Not to be chained to your laptop 24/7, right? Yet, here you are, burning the midnight oil, feeling like there's no end in sight. If you're feeling the burn of burnout, it's a huge sign you need to bring in some reinforcements. Your health and well-being are paramount, and no business is worth sacrificing them. Remember, even superheroes have sidekicks. Batman had Robin, and you deserve your own team to help you soar to new heights. Here are a few telltale signs that it's time to bring on a team member. You're constantly saying no to amazing opportunities because your plate is overflowing. Those golden chances that could propel your business forward are slipping through your fingers. Missed chances mean missed growth, babe. Every opportunity you pass up is a step back from your potential success. You're sacrificing sleep, sanity, or gasp, self-care, just to keep up with the demands of your business. When was the last time you had a full night's sleep or a day off without checking emails? You find yourself daydreaming about having a clone just to get everything done. We've all been there. It's a clear sign that you need an extra pair of hands. As the amazing Oprah Winfrey once said, surround yourself with only people who are going to lift you higher. Surrounding yourself with a supportive team isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity for growth and sustainability. And that, my friend, includes your team. Building a strong, reliable team can transform your business and give you the freedom to focus on what truly matters. Choosing your first hire is like picking the perfect pair of shoes. It needs to fit your style, support your goals, and be ready to hustle. Just like the right pair of shoes can make or break your outfit, the right hire can significantly impact your business's success. It's not just about filling a position, it's about finding someone who complements your vision and can grow with your company. So who should you bring on board first? The decision can be daunting, but it's crucial to prioritize based on your immediate needs and long-term goals. Think about the areas where you need the most support and where an extra set of hands could make the biggest difference. Virtual assistant. Think of a VA as your magical unicorn assistant who can handle all the administrative tasks that eat up your time. From managing your calendar to handling customer inquiries, a VA can be a game changer. They allow you to focus on what you do best, growing your business. Scheduling appointments, managing emails, creating social media content, they've got you covered. Imagine not having to worry about the small stuff and being able to dedicate your energy to strategic planning and innovation. Customer service rockstar. Happy customers are the heart of any successful business. A dedicated customer service representative ensures that your clients feel valued and heard. They handle complaints, provide information, and create a positive experience that keeps customers coming back. Hiring a dedicated customer service whiz frees you up to focus on big-picture strategy while ensuring your clients feel like the VIPs they are. This role is essential for maintaining customer loyalty and building a strong reputation. Sales superstar. Ready to watch your revenue soar? A sales expert can help you identify new opportunities, build relationships with potential clients, and close deals more efficiently. They bring in the revenue that fuels your business's growth. Bringing on a sales expert can help you reach more customers, close more deals, and boost your bottom line. They are instrumental in driving your business forward and achieving your financial goals. Don't be afraid to think outside the box, too. Sometimes the most impactful hires are those who bring a unique perspective or skill set to the table. Innovation often comes from diverse ideas and approaches. What unique skills or expertise would make the biggest impact on your business right now? Consider what gaps exist in your current team and how a new hire could fill those gaps. The right person can help you take your business to the next level. Hiring your first team member is super exciting, but don't let the excitement make you jump in without a plan. Just like a successful product launch, a little preparation goes a long way. Here's a quick checklist to make sure you're ready to welcome your first team member. Define the role. Get crystal clear on the specific tasks, responsibilities, and expectations for this position. Write a detailed job description that outlines everything. Set your budget. Determine how much you can realistically afford to pay, factoring in salary, benefits, and any additional expenses. Create an onboarding process. First impressions matter. Plan a smooth and welcoming onboarding experience to help your new hire feel like part of the team from day one. Remember, organization is key to a stress-free hiring process. Section 5. Where the magic happens. Finding your unicorn. Now comes the fun part. Finding your perfect match. Luckily, there are tons of amazing resources to help you find your unicorn hire online job boards. Websites like Indeed, LinkedIn, and even specialized niche job boards can connect you with a pool of qualified candidates. Social media. Don't underestimate the power of your network. Announce your hiring needs on your social media platforms and watch the referrals roll in. Freelancing platforms. If you're looking for short-term help or a specific skill set, platforms like Upwork and Fiverr can be goldmines. Red flags to watch out for. Vague resumes, poor communication, and negative attitudes are all signs that a candidate might not be the right fit. Trust your gut, girl. Section 6. Interview like a boss. No sweat, just success. The interview process doesn't have to be scary. Think of it as a chance to connect with potential rock stars and find the perfect match for your team. Here are a few tips to rock your interviews. Prepare thoughtful questions. Go beyond the basics and ask questions that reveal a candidate's personality, work style, and problem-solving skills. Be an active listener. Pay attention to both what they say and how they say it. Body language speaks volumes. Check those references. Don't skip this crucial step. Talking to previous employers can give you valuable insights into a candidate's work ethic and reliability. Remember, you're not just interviewing them, they're interviewing you too. Show them why your business is the place to be. Section 7. You did it. Now what? Managing your new team. Congratulations, you hired your first team member. Now it's time to set them up for success and create a positive and productive working relationship. Here are a few tips for effective team management. Communication is key. Establish clear lines of communication from the start. Regular check-ins, team meetings, and open-door policies work wonders. Feedback is a gift. Provide regular feedback, both positive and constructive. This helps your team member grow and feel valued. Celebrate wins together. Acknowledge accomplishments and celebrate successes as a team. This builds morale and creates a sense of shared purpose. Remember, being a great boss is all about empowering your team to do their best work. Section 8. Go forth and conquer. Time to grow your empire. Hiring your first team member is a huge milestone in your entrepreneurial journey. It's a sign of growth, success, and the exciting things to come for your business. Now that you've got the tools and knowledge to find your perfect match, it's time to take action. What type of position are you thinking of filling first? What are your biggest fears or hesitations about hiring? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's chat.